watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, it's been a rather quiet evening here in Grand Rapids. A lot of clouds out there right now. You can see the steam kind of floating past the Amway back there with a relatively light west wind at this hour. And I think when you wake up tomorrow morning, roads will still be in pretty good shape. We'll see temperatures around 24 here early, up into the upper 20s to near 30 or so during the afternoon. Winds will be southwest off the lake at 5 to 15 miles an hour. Sunrise getting a few minutes earlier now at 8:03. Here's a look at Storm Track Live. We've had a few flurries that have passed by Mount Pleasant and also over along the lakeshore, but really not much going out there right now. But there is some snow developing off to the west of us. You can see in northwest Wisconsin. That tracks to the lakeshore down here at about 10 o'clock in the morning, 9:10 in the morning. So for the early morning rush hour, I think we're still okay. But as the day goes on, light snow will create some slippery spots on the area roads. Most areas get around an inch of snow from this. The area southwest of Grand Rapids may see a little bit more than that, but like I said, most areas pick up around an inch, and a lot of that is going to melt on some of the roads. Kalamazoo tomorrow morning and Battle Creek, you'll see about 24 degrees, chance of just a few flurries for the early morning commute. Here's what we're tracking. I think we'll be seeing about 1 inch of snow tomorrow, a few icy spots, especially on the side streets and rural roads. 2 to 4 inches of snow comes our way Friday night. That means roads Saturday morning are going to be rather slick. And then about 1 to 4 inches of snow for early next week. So winter continues here in West Michigan. As you can see, temperatures mid-20s in many inland areas right now, hanging closer to 30 over by the lake with the wind off the water. These temperatures won't fall very much tonight, maybe 3 or 4 more degrees, and that will be about it. Winds are fairly light, and they're going to turn and come more out of the southwest here during the day tomorrow. Wind chill temperatures should be quite tolerable again tomorrow. We'll be hanging in the low 20s for wind chills much of the day. Here's the way it looks for the next 8 days. We'll start you out tomorrow with about a 90% chance of snow, maybe about an inch in most areas. Much of that coming during the midday and afternoon. And then for Friday, much of the day should be dry. We may actually see a smidgen of sun to start the day, but clouds roll back in. We'll see snow develop during the evening hours, continue through Friday night. Much of the snow falling probably in about 6 hours' time. That tapers off on Saturday, and in fact, road conditions may actually improve a little bit Saturday afternoon, but about 2 to 4 inches total for Friday night into very early Saturday morning. We'll see some flurries here on Sunday, and then snow showers here for Monday and Tuesday. No sign of any really warm weather coming our way, and we continue to monitor one of our computer models, which has a significant snowstorm for early next week. The rest of them don't. They just have some lighter snow amounts, and since that's been the case much of this winter, we'll stick with that. I might also add with the Saturday snow, the snow Friday night, I don't think we'll get the real lake enhancement that we saw last Saturday because temperatures are a little bit warmer. It's interesting as we were looking at some of the ice out over Lake Michigan today, and that's kind of shrinking the open water of the lake by a few miles on both sides of the shoreline, both our side and over in Wisconsin. It's been cold around here.
Yes, it has.
Sure has.
Thank you, Bill.